Aquarius is the 11th sign of the zodiac, ruled by the planet Uranus, and is an air sign. People born under this sign, typically between January 20th and February 18th, often possess a set of distinct characteristics and personality traits. Here's a general overview of some common Aquarius traits. Innovative and original. Aquarians are known for their unique thinking and can come up with novel solutions to problems. They often stand out from the crowd in their ideas and perspectives. Independent. This sign is fiercely independent and values their freedom above most things. They prefer to follow their path and are often uncomfortable with excessive restrictions or being told what to do. Humanitarian. Aquarians have a strong desire to help others and often have a social or political cause they're passionate about. They genuinely care about the welfare of humanity and are often involved in various social initiatives. Intellectual. Aquarians enjoy deep conversations and intellectual challenges. They're curious and love to learn, often being self-taught in many areas of interest. Detached. While they care deeply about humanitarian causes, on a personal level, Aquarians can sometimes come across as detached or distant. They may have trouble expressing their emotions or getting too close to people. Eccentric. Many Aquarians possess a quirky nature and are proud of their individuality. They might not always follow social norms or conventions, preferring instead to follow their own unique path. Unpredictable. Thanks to the influence of Uranus, Aquarians can be spontaneous and unpredictable. They can change their minds suddenly and may often surprise others with their decisions. Tolerant and open-minded. Aquarians generally have a broad worldview and are tolerant of different perspectives. They're usually non-judgmental and are open to understanding and accepting a variety of lifestyles and beliefs. Loyal. When they form bonds, Aquarians are incredibly loyal. However, they tend to have a small circle of close friends rather than a broad group of acquaintances. Visionary. With their forward-thinking nature, Aquarians often see possibilities and futures that others might miss. They're dreamers and often have big ideas about how to make the world a better place. Stubborn. Once they make up their minds, it can be hard for an Aquarian to change their viewpoint or plan. This trait can be both a strength and a weakness. Remember, these are generalized traits and may not fit every individual born under the sign of Aquarius. Personalities are shaped by a myriad of factors, including upbringing, environment, personal experiences, and other astrological factors like moon sign, rising sign, and the positions of planets in one's birth chart. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment.